The kindness seed. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled among rolling hills, there lived a young girl named Maya. Maya had a heart as big as the sky and a smile that could brighten the gloomiest of days. One sunny morning, Maya found a tiny seed lying on the path as she walked to the village square. Curious, she picked it up and cradled it in her palm. "I wonder what kind of seed you are," she mused, her eyes sparkling with wonder. Without hesitation, Maya decided to plant the seed in a patch of fertile soil near her home. Every day, she watered it, tendered it, and showered it with love, hoping it would grow into something beautiful. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months, yet the seed showed no signs of life. Maya's neighbors laughed and teased her, calling her foolish for wasting her time on a mere seed. But Maya remained undeterred. She believed in the power of kindness and patience. One fine morning, as Maya checked on her beloved seed, she noticed a tiny green shoot pushing through the soil. Her heart leaped with joy. Over time, the shoot grew into a magnificent tree, adorned with lush leaves and vibrant flowers. As word of Maya's miracle tree spread through the village, people marveled at its beauty and wondered at Maya's kindness. Inspired by her actions, they began to perform acts of kindness of their own. And so, from a single seed of kindness planted by one girl, a forest of goodwill blossomed, spreading love and compassion throughout the village and beyond. The moral of the story: kindness, like a seed, has the power to grow and flourish, transforming the world one act at a time. Who is the protagonist of the story? What did Maya find on her way to the village square? How did Maya nurture the seed she found? How did the villagers react to Maya's efforts? What motivated Maya to continue caring for the seed despite skepticism from others? What happened when Maya's seed finally sprouted? How did the village change as a result of Maya's kindness? What is the moral of the story? Can you relate any experiences from your own life to Maya's story? How do you think Maya's actions impacted the world around her?